Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to change the language on your Hisense Smart TV. This is useful if the menu is currently set to a language you don't understand, or if you simply want to switch the interface to a different language. First, turn on your TV and take your remote control. Press the button with 3 horizontal lines to open the main menu. Using the arrow buttons on the remote, navigate to All Settings and press OK to enter the Settings menu. Inside the settings, use the down arrow to scroll until you find the System option. Select it and press OK. Now select and click on Language and Location. Next, choose Menu Language and press OK. You will now see a list of all available languages supported by your Hisense Smart TV. Scroll through the list using the up and down arrow buttons, find the language you want to use, and confirm your selection by pressing OK on the remote. The language change is applied automatically and immediately. There is no need to restart the TV. As soon as you confirm the new language, all menus and system options will switch to the selected language, which you can see right away on the screen. That's all for this tutorial. Changing the menu language on a Hisense Smart TV is quick, simple, and can be done in just a few seconds. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and practical TV tutorials.